Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Our world is full of different animals and insects. Some insects look very beautiful, but when approached they can become a nuisance to us. And there are some insects that make a person run away as soon as they see them. So viewers, in today's video we will tell you about some insects. So number 5 is scorpion. The scorpion you are looking is very dangerous. Its color is dark black. The scorpion's tail is full of venom. When it bites a person, its neurotoxin poison causes so much pain that it is unbearable for a person. Biting can also cause bleeding. There are 2,000 species of scorpion, but only 40 or 30 are strong. The world's largest scorpion are found only in West Africa. Black scorpion are found in East Asia, South Africa, Australia, and South Central. The scorpion grows up to 5 inches. Number 4, giant hornet. The giant hornet is larger in size than the common bee. It is 5 inches in size. Giant hornet sting is 1 inch long. The bite of this bee can all cause kidney failures, allergies, and destroy red cells from the human body. 30 to 40 people died in Japan from the bite of this fly. In 2013, giant hornet was attacked by a group of people in a village of China, in which 44 people died and 1,700 were wounded. It is very powerful. If it attacks the beehives, it can kill to 40 bees a minute. It has a flying speed of 40 kilometers per hour. This is a very horrific bug. Number 3, bullet ant. This bee is painful because of its name. The pain from the bite is as severe as if someone had been shot with a gun. The scientific name of bullet ant is Paraponera calavata. The bullet ant is found in the forest of South Africa. This ant is 1 inch in size. Scientists say that the bite of this ant can destroy the nervous system. Bullet ant lifespan is 90 days. Bullet ant has 2 species. Number 2, caterpillar silkworm. This insect has small thorns all over its body. Many people die because of these thorns. These spikes are so poisonous that when they touch the human body, the poison is injected into the body. It must be treated on time, otherwise a person may die in a few days. Most causes of this insect occur in Brazil, South America, and Argentina. This insect is about 3 inches in size. Its lifespan is 6 to 8 weeks. It eats mostly leaves. Its scientific name is Bombi expoi. Number 1, mosquito. Mosquito is one of the most dangerous insects in the world. Its bite kills about 12 million people every year. The female mosquito bites a human. Male mosquito drinks plant juices. When a female mosquito drinks human blood, it gets protein for eggs. She rests for 2 days after drinking blood once. The female mosquito lays more than 300 eggs at a time. It injects cilia with its bite when it drinks human blood, which causes bacteria such as dengue and malaria. These are more than 300 species of mosquito in the world. Some of these drink the blood of horses, lizards, and frogs. Mosquitoes bite humans more at night because the carbon dioxide emitted by mosquito can be detected at a distance of 70 feet. The mosquito to flutter its wings 300 times a second. They cannot fly more than 40 feet. Mosquitoes grow at a speed of 2.5 kilometers per hour. Male mosquitoes' lifespan is 10 to 15 days, while female mosquitoes' lifespan is 6 to 8 weeks. Mosquitoes are more attracted to blue color. In a research, mosquitoes has shown that is 400 times larger. So it turned out the mosquito has 100 eyes on its head, 47 teeth, and 3 hearts were also found. There is also a mosquito proboscis, from which it sucks our blood. 3 knives were also found in it. This little worm is our biggest enemy.